Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to learn about the message board inside the project. For that, open any project, click on message board and you see the layout coming up like that. For that, you have to click on add message, type any dummy message, any description for that. For the privacy, you can select or deselect all the members inside that project. By default, it will be selected for all of the members. If you wish to delete or you wish to unselect any other member who do not want to wish to see the message board, you can uncheck the checkbox. You can also select the categories. For adding the categories, click on add category. From the drop down, you may select any of the images. If required, you may search also. You can put the name. Save. The category is updated now. You can add this to this category. You can even save it as a draft, and to post the message you can click on the post. You can even schedule this message. Click on this and you can put the date and you can select the time for which you would like to have it scheduled for. You can put it for 4 p.m. and schedule and save. Now this message is saved and is to be scheduled for the date 25. It will show you that it is updated by at what time and at what date. This is, and all the members which are being selected inside this scheduled message will be able to see the message. This was all about message board. Thank you.